So always make sure that the most appearing digit, this one right here, the one with the green hapa kuwapea back to back. Okay, so kuna this new even odd strategy. Hii ni strategy simple sana. I'm sure that kila mtu anaweza ielewa. Okay, so watch this, kupeleke step by step so that at least you can get the full concept. Okay, so kitu ya kwanza, make sure that umeingia pale profitup.site, ama unaweza andika hivi www.profitup.site. Okay, then you log into your Deriv account. Nime login hapa hivi, nitaelezea hii strategy vizuri, na ikikubali maybe moja tunaweza ingia tu trade. Okay, because nimefungua my account hapa hivi kwa this laptop as you can see here. Okay, so mwanzo nataka muelewe strategy before hata tuongelee kitu kingine. Sawa. Haya, so the next thing ukikuja hapa, make sure that unafungua DTrader. Utaipata hapa hivi tu. This one is one of the best trading platforms right now. Okay, because kuna all the trading analysis tools, speedboats, all the analysis tools, that is and also some free bots over here. You can just come and check them out. The Genesis version 1 is here, the Digit Flux is here, and all the rest of the bots. Okay, utazipata hapa hivi, tuko pamoja. Haya, so pia D-Circles, sijui kama umepatana nazo mahali pengine, but they are here in this website. Okay, so that much ado, acha mwanzo tukuja hapa kwa DTrader juu sasa strategy itaanzia hapa mtu wangu. Okay, so unakuja unafungua DTrader. That is the second thing after umeingia kwa profitup.site. Okay, kisha login, fungua DTrader. If possible kuwa na 2 devices so that unaweza tumia moja kuanalyze, nyingine unatumia kutrade. Right, sitaki nichukue time mingi yenu, acha tuende direct to the point. Okay, so we see this, nimeandika hapa hivi, so nitawaelezea. So in this tool tunakuanga na red bar na green bar, kwa pamoja. So this is the least appearing, this one is the most appearing for the last 1000 ticks. We together. Now let's come back here mali nimeandika hii, because I'm sure that hapa ndio mtaelewa vizuri. So ukiangalia, this one is the new even and odd strategy. Okay, and this is what it entails. Okay, first of all, make sure that the most appearing digit. Okay, we're assuming that to analyze market here even, sorry. Okay, so the vice versa is going to apply to the odd market. We're together. So always make sure that the most appearing digit, this one right here, the one with the green bar. Aya, the second most appearing digit, this one, in this case iko kwa digit. Aya, zinakaribiana sana, acha tuone iko wapi. Sasa iko kwa digit 5, iko na 10.8, most appearing iko na 11%. We are together. So hizo digits mbili. Then we have the third one, which is the least appearing, this one with the red bar. Aya, we have the second most appearing, this one with the, that is the second, sorry, hapa nimekosea, this one should be the second least appearing digit. We together. So this one, in this case iko kwa digit, this one is the digit that is being followed by this one, but this one is the one that is following this one. Tuko pamoja. In this case ukiangalia least appearing iko kwa 3, second least appearing iko kwa kwa digit 7 with 9.5%. We're together. Now make sure that all those digits ziko kwa even market. Okay, to be on even. Kama una trade market here, even. We're together. Then now let's go to the end point. The end point should be on the gaining odd digit. Okay, so ukishapata hizo digits zote nne ziko kwa even, okay, you are now going to check the odd digit that is having the highest percentage in that specific market. Kama for example ni hapa hivi, ukiangalia mwanzo least appearing second, that is the most appearing ziko kwa odd. Acha tuangalie second most appearing kwa wapi, iko kwa digit 8 in this case. So this one is a no, because okay, maybe we can use digit 8 as the endpoint to ingia odd, but now the first thing, the condition is, okay, this is just an example of a twisted market. So the least appearing and the second least zinafaa kuappear kwa odd for that market to be accurate in that case. We're together, but I hope umeelewa, right? So just go try it on www.profitup.site. Unaweza kuwa unaanalyze kwa simu moja hivi, then unafungua the other device, for example like right here, unakuja unafungua bot hapo kwa free bots. I recommend you use the Digit Flux robot, this one, or maybe the Genesis version 1. So you're going to get them on this trading website. So Genesis version 1 ndio hii hapa, then we having the Digitflux robot. Hapa kuna bots mingi sana. Most of the bots are new, so you'll be among the first ones to use my trading software. So together, so tupatane live trading kama kawaida, mambo iendelee kuchemka. I believe that by the end of this month tutafunga hii mwaka vizuri, ama ni aje? So msiendelee kusema ni noma, muendelee kusema iko sawa, ama ni aje? With Analyst Kim, kila mtu atakuwa profitable. Profit up, hiyo imeanza na profit, so you need to make profits kama unaingia kwa hii profits. Ni noma.